in this particular video now, you just have to do this ASAP because this particular campaign is ending on the 17th of March. And this is just a free opportunity for you to make around 42.2 USDT free in this particular campaign. So if you are able to watch the particular video to the end, I'll be showing you the exchange which is giving us everyone this particular campaign. I will tell you the required that you need to meet up with for you to be qualified for this particular token allocation. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload another new video. So let's go back to the major reason why I'm creating the particular video. You can see, you say make your first spot trade of any amount and earn up to 10 GBT. So GBT is the native token of Bitget wallet. So what we are talking about is for those who have Bitget wallet. So if you haven't gotten Bitget wallet, so that you could not miss any offer that will be coming up in the future. So I'll be dropping my link to my for you to download Bitget wallet. So kindly download it, do your KYC, and you can also deposit. And also, before I finish this video, I'll share with you how you can deposit on Bitget exchange, and also the previous video that I've created, that I've showed you how to deposit. I'll be dropping in the description of the particular video. So you could see it said the campaign start on the 3rd of 10th 2025 and is ending on 17th of March. You could see this is when it started, this is when it's ending. So for me to join, I will have to tap. You see, it's left with 3 days, no time. So you just have to check your notification on your Bitget wallet to see if you could participate in this particular page. So it's ending in the next 3 days, 23 hours. So I have to click on join for me to join. So let me on my data now. So before even clicking on join, let's look at, you see, it has showed that registered. I've registered now. You can see it has shows incentive. So that is not just what we need to do. There are some certain things that we need to do for you to be qualified. You could see it has shown incentive. So there are some certain things you need to do. So what are those things? We have to come down to this aspect of rules to see the rules that are guiding this particular campaign. Are eligible to use the join now button to be eligible for promotion. So before even looking at this rule, let's look at the current price of BGB. Now you will see is the native token of Bitget, like what I've said earlier on. And you know, exchange tokens, they always go far. Like the one of BNB now is currently at over $600 plus. Also, the one for Gate.ai, which is the GT, is trading at over $20 plus. So let's look at the current price for the one of BGB, if it's actually worth it. Because if we looked at here, we are told that we were able to earn up to 10 GBT. So let's look at the current price of GBT on CoinMarket. This is actually the coin market cap now, and you can see that the current price for GBT is around 4.2 dollars. And let's go and look if what is the current all-time height, if this coin is actually worth holding. We could see that the all-time height of this particular coin is 8.46, and we are still in the bull run, and the all-time low is around 0.05, which I can say that this particular coin is a very good coin, that even though if you're able to get it, it's a coin. I'm not a financial advice, it's a coin that you can hold. Currently the market cap is around 5.06 billion, and the total supply is just 1.2 billion, which is good, but no maximum supply. So let's look at my calculation. My calculation is right. So now we say the coin is around 4.22 multiplied by, let's say we are able to get 10 at the end of the campaign, 10. You can see that I'm correct at the beginning of the video when I say you will be able to make 42.2 US. Let's go back and read the rules. So what are the rules? The number one rules is that participants are required to use the join. We have done that already. Only user who receive an app or mail notification during the promotion can participate. Only main account are eligible. So you need to receive this particular mail notification. I received it. That is why I'm able to share this with you. So you could check your mail or log in on your Get Exchange app and check on the notification, so that if you're able to receive this mail, so that you can participate in this particular opportunity. So let's look at number 3. Account that have never traded on Bitget, spot, future, or other forms of trading are eligible. For this promotion, spot trading includes spot. So for you to be able to participate, which I'll be sharing also in this particular video, is that spot, you trade on Convert, you trade you convert your small balance to conversion, you need to do any of this. So number 5, user must complete 4 spot trade during the promotion to receive. So you just have to complete a trade on your spot account for you to be eligible for this particular one. And 6, incentive ranges from 0.1 to 10 GBT. So the minimum anyone can take is 0.1 and the maximum is 10 GBT per account, with a total pool of over 1,000, around 1,000 GBT. Don't miss out. 7, all participants must strictly comply with Bitget terms and conditions. Bitget reserve the right to disqualify any user from participating in the promotion and confiscate the activities if any fraudulent conduct, illegal activities, e.g. using multiple accounts to claim incentive or other violation are found. 8, Bitget reserve the right to amend, reserve, or cancel this promotion at any time without prior notice at its sole discretion. And now, which is the last one, Bitget reserve the right or final interpretation of the promotion. If you have any question, please contact. So let's look at how to trade. So already, if you are having a new Bitget account, I've shared with you, I've created a video which I'll be dropping in the description of this video, how to fund your wallet. There are various ways which you can fund your wallet. You can fund your wallet through their P2P, and for you to get to their P2P, for you to buy through their P2P, you just have to come to this place, tap on P2P. I have a full tutorial which I'll be dropping in the description of that video, so you could buy. You'll be able to have USDT. And another way that you can fund your account is to buy crypto. Maybe you have a trader which you have trust on, or which you are buying one thing or the other for. So you can just send your USDT track 20 address to USDT. Let me show you let me cancel USDT. You could just come to this place, tap on this 3 dot, tap on deposit. You just send your track 20 wallet to the person, and the person fund you and you make payment. So when sending your USDT, it's better to use your track 20, which is this particular one. So you just tap on it. So you just have to send this address to the person you are buying USDT from. The particular address is on Tone Network. It's very fast and very cheap. So if the person sends you USDT, you'll be able to have it so that you could trade on spot. And the third one, how you could deposit. The Bitget now is now having a third party where you can use your card directly. I haven't tested it, but you could see there. I'll be creating a video on it later, and you could see it say credit or debit card. I don't know if it's working in my country, but I could see the Naira sign here, which means it should be working in my country. So you just have to tap on it. Oh, this is even a YouTube video. I believe you just have to watch this video on how to actually participate in this using third party app. So if you have found your wallet, that means for those who are able to partake in this particular campaign. So you come to the trade aspect here. So you can just trade any coin of your choice forth and back. Let's say for hot now, you just tap on. Let me just show you. I'll be dropping a description to allow you a full tutorial on how to trade on Bitget, which I've created. So just try and watch it so that you could. So let's say on hot now, let's say I deposited 10 USDT. You just tap on this buy. We'll be using the limit order. You just tap on this buy, and when the trade is picked, you can immediately come back to this sell button. Let's say the 10 gives us 200 hot. You just say 200, you could see, or let's say 20,000 hot, which is 22. So you just tap on sell again, and immediately it will sell, which is the first one aspect, which is the trading or spot, which was the first criteria they told us to. So the other method we are being told is to use convert. So you just tap on this 3 dot at the under, you see Bitget convert. So you could just convert any token of your choice. Let's say you have USDT, you can say USDT. Let's say you have 100 USDT and you want to convert to you see enter an amount with a margin range. So you just have to tap the amount of USDT here, then the amount you get on the will be shown here. So let me just try with a token I have. That means if it is here, let me look for Virtuous. Is not here. What of this particular app is not here. So that is what you just need to do in this particular aspect, in the aspect of convert. So the last one, which is convert small balance. So you just come to your asset under spot. You make sure that it is showing under port here. So what you just do here is that you just, this is the last one, which was one of the criteria that you can do. Say convert small balance to BGB. So you just tap on convert. It will show you all the list of your token. You could see these are my tokens that has little amount. This is it. So when you just tap on it, you can just click them here and tap on swap. Then you see the amount of BGB I'll be getting 0.04 BGB. So if you're able to do this, and you just have to wait in March 17 when this campaign will be over. Then if you are qualified to win, then you'll be given some amount of BGB, which I see that BGB is a very good coin. If the bull actually comes into play, you'll be able to make a good sum of money. So anything your observation is particular token, please kindly comment or ask your question in the comment section of the particular video. If the video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the bell notification so that anytime we upload another new video like this. Thank you. Bye bye.